Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin app to MEXC Global Exchange. So in order to do it, you need to first of all launch your KuCoin mobile application. Now, if you don't have an account on KuCoin, I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could come here and you could avail the sign up bonuses. Now over here, tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner and go to funding section. Now here in funding, you will see the withdrawal option. So tap on withdrawal. Over here, you need to select that particular crypto which you want to transfer from KuCoin app to MEXC. For example, you want to transfer, let's say, Ethereum. So you need to simply select it and then you need to just simply come to this form. Now over here, make sure that it is on-chain network because we want to transfer our crypto from KuCoin to any other exchange. If you choose the internal option, it will transfer it from KuCoin to KuCoin, and this is not what we want. So make sure that it is on-chain option. Now in the withdrawal address, you need to provide the address that you can get from MEXC. Again, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the sign up link down in the description so that you could avail $8,000 as a sign up bonus. Now once you are over here, simply tap on the deposit option on the home page and select the option of on-chain deposit. Now over here, you need to simply use the same crypto in the search bar that you have selected in KuCoin, which in our case is Ethereum. So you need to select the network. So for Ethereum, I would recommend you to go with ERC20 network because this is good for it. After selecting it, you will see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy it from here, then go back to your KuCoin account and paste that in this section. In the network, select the same network that you have selected in MEXC, which for ERC20 it is, for Ethereum it is ERC20. Then you need to provide the withdrawal amount, and here you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you will have to simply just confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you are going to get your crypto from KuCoin to MEXC within just 3 to 5 minutes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.